Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PhotoTAN not working in the Commerzbank app quickly and securely. First, restart your smartphone. This refreshes your system and fixes temporary PhotoTAN issues. Then, go to your phone settings and then search for camera or apps. Then go to the banking or Commerzbank app and then tap permissions and allow camera access. This is required to scan the PhotoTAN code. After that, head over to your app store or Play Store and then search for Commerzbank and PhotoTAN. Install any available updates. Updating your app is very important because it will fix all the bug fixes and will give you the latest version. If it still does not work, uninstall and reinstall the PhotoTAN app, then activate it again. Make sure your camera lens is clean and scanning is good. That's how to fix the Commerzbank PhotoTAN app not working. Like and subscribe for more.